it's Patdees. You're on my channel, Patdees72, and I'm going to an auction, and there's supposed to be 7 units up for sale. It's about 40 minutes away from my house, so let's check it out and see what we get, and we'll be back later. Well, I'm in the country here in Wayne County, Pennsylvania, and I'm at a storage unit today for an auction. So we're going to see what's going to happen.
Generator, snowblower, lawnmower, mattresses. What the unit here? All right, 10% premium.
Ooh,
Mini bike.
that's packed.
Well, that's the part of the game here. Racing wheels, mini bikes, go-karts. We're down by the...
Yeah, this unit's... He packed this stuff in.
Junk.
Yeah, of course. But
Yeah.
Hey, dude, what are you doing? You look at home for me. I won't fight. Oh, yeah. Things are tough in my house.
Oh, 9,900, 9.5, 9.5 out of it now, 9.5, 9.5 out of it now, 9.5, 9.5, 9.5, 9.5 out of it now, 9.5 out of it now, 9.5 out of it. When it shows good things in the front, there's better in the back. 9.5, 9.5 out of it, all done, 9.5 out of it now, 9.5 out of it now, 9.5. Sold, $900, Mr. Wheeler buys, 900. That makes up for some sins.
Yeah.
All right. Here you go, Warren. Warren, don't talk to him. He'll talk to himself. You know him for years. Oh, look at here. Barbecue grill.
1980s couch.
Yeah.
Is that how long this locker's been?
No, actually, it's only been here about 6-7 months.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Everything works.
More mattresses.
This
Own
would
an
create
aquarium?
a huge burn pile.
Sure would. You could almost burn it right here.
Yeah. Look, I have the room to burn, but to take it to the burn piles.
Boxes in the front, all kind of stuff. Buy this one. Give 200. 200. Who give $100? 100 and a quarter. 1 1/4 now. 1 1/4. 1 1/4. But hey, talk to Skip. You can talk to him tomorrow. 1 1/4. 1 1/4 on this girl. 1 1/4. You're coming back anyway. 1 1/4. Average the load. I got 100. 100 and a quarter. 1 1/4 down. 1 1/4. 1 1/4 debated. But want to get 1 1/4. 1 1/4 debated. But want to get 1 1/4. 1 1/4 debated. But want to get 1 1/4. 1 1/4. 110. 110. So looky here.
Sorry about that.
This one's pretty big.
You got $100 worth of igloos right there. Right in the front.
There's a crapper.
That one that had the motorcycle was probably a winner. There was a full-size bike in there too.
Yeah, I think that.
Yeah, you could have.
I'm gonna put Kimball in. We got a guy driving around, lost. So
Sorry.
I'm putting him in.
For $1?
Huh?
For $1?
No, I'm putting him in for 100. 100 and a quarter. Any interest? 100 and a quarter. 1 1/4 now. 1 1/4. 1 1/4.
I want to look at the maggots in here. Look at this, guys. Whoa. So this is what happens. This unit's been here since May. Now this unit over this.
How does that work? You've been to a bunch of these. Things like
Yeah, you just throw them away. Yeah, there are a lot of pharmacies that have where you can return them, and and they dispose of
she's a
them.
nurse, so
This unit here was the same owner. This guy that bought here.
there you go.
All three of these were the same owner from the same
Did we
house.
win this one? Did we not win this one?
You-
Oh, we're that way. Okay.
No, they got the cool one with the motor.
Yeah, but
that's
that was
right,
that was the same owner.
Yeah, can you?
All right, I'm gonna go mess
in
with
there.
Yeah, go get the truck and stuff.
Mom, this could be like our toilet. Or like whenever we
This is a commode.
camping
That don't smell
toilet.
good either.
Mm.
Oh, it's got food in it. Oh,
Got
no.
food in it. Woo!
That's gonna be bad.
Oh man, does that you smell it?
That toilet's used.
That's
I rechecked it.
It's used.
Yeah.
Oh,
So there's a deposit in there? Wow.
Oh, that's used. That's used.
Yeah, half the stuff is junk.
That got little poop stains on it.
Just little ones?
just little ones.
Not big.
Not big ones.
That's what we need. That's Abby's thing.
Got Christmas. Yeah, that stinks.
That's Abby's. Oh, that.
Man, Jeremy, you want to do this food contest? This is all food in here.
They literally just took stuff out of their house.
Yeah, they did.
Oh, that's Lego.
This was the same owner.
I know, yeah.
Now he's in jail.
Yep.
Yeah. Wonder what he did.
I don't know.
There's a lot of work here.
Yep.
We get a lot of them.
Yeah.
That's why they usually lose them.
Yeah.
Drugs and went to jail, you know?
Right. Yeah. Well, this was the most expensive unit today. What?
Yeah.
$9.50?
9.
$9. Yeah.
$9.90 with the buyer's fee.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With that.
See what's in there.
Please don't be anything.
Oh, clothes.
Oh, clothes. Okay, I'm okay with that. Kind of clothes. Ew, what is this?
What's that say? High flying. Oh, it's a Nike t-shirt.
You can wear that. Look at that.
I wish I didn't get the flat tire.
Now, do you guys sell any of this stuff or?
Yes.
Yeah, we plan on
Yeah.
She's the.
I've been selling on eBay since '98. Yeah.
You don't sell on eBay.
I sell on eBay and Amazon.
That's cool.
What do you sell on?
Facebook sites.
Marketplace, right? Yeah. Yeah, I picked up. There you go.
Have to move to eBay at this point.
I picked up Mark.
Good expression spray.
Okay, that's fine.
Yep. I don't want to go through that one today. I want to go through this one.
I'd rather wait on that one.
Yeah, this thing is nasty.
Okay, hold on. We'll take this one and the other one.
The food is gonna be disgususting.
It's already disgusting.
Yeah, the smell.
This is gonna be nasty.
I think it's better after this one.
Yeah, that girl's
This one,
probably
that one, and whatever.
More window fans.
worth about $5 in junk.
Yeah, the mattresses suck.
Yeah.
The couches.
Now the frames look pretty good.
Yeah.
What is this? Oh,
Yeah.
wait. I always need a light at the house.
This is what I'm interested
Yeah, there's an aquarium, 2 or 3 aquariums back there.
in. No, we're going to go through it.
You have to like.
Mom, don't close it.
I don't want to deal with this one today.
Yeah, it's kinked up or something.
Yeah,
But
it's
whatever
not
we.
working.
How do you?
Oh, did you get that flashlight in there? Or did you bring that?
No, she just got it in there.
Oh, that's,
It works.
there you go.
It's full.
Let's see what we got.
Oh, okay. It's just water.
Just jugs of water.
Yay.
She was nervous.
Hey, there's a whole bunch of window fans, Mom. Like 3 of
Yeah,
them.
it's maybe not full.
Yeah, did you guys bring a trailer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We popped our tires.
Just watch you don't trip over the
We
ball.
also popped our tire, which is great.
Oh,
It's like-
there's a
I was
ju-
like, whoa.
a
There's
ju-
stuff coming out of it.
a jumping stick.
Oh, what?
I was playing with it earlier.
So I'm like,
Oh, it's
Huh?
probably
Yeah, I can't do it.
Can you do it?
maggots.
There you go.
Can't do it though.
oh, that's
I'm not gonna do it.
that's still coming out of it.
I found a bag.
I really want
You
to.
realize you guys gave me a lot of work.
Yeah.
She's been nagging.
I found a bag.
That has a spider in it.
Anything garbage
Those are
over
wet.
here, we're gonna bag it.
Oh, this bathroom was made. I have a bath at home. This is actually better than my bath. This is a nice bath. This is better than my bath. It's super light. That's really heavy.
I don't know why you video it, but
I didn't video you.
no.
Oh, okay.
A lot of the units won't let you do it.
Yeah.
Reagan's the only one that what we pay for it. We got to look at it that I have to get $1,800 out of
Oh,
this
double
unit.
your money, right?
Got to.
Yeah.
I love these people that say, "Oh, I broke even." There is no break even.
I don't want to clean it out.
No.
I'm not paying to clean out somebody else's unit.
Right, because you can give your wife the $900 and she'll give it back to you later and not have no work. Right, I get you. Ooh, a Sawzall.
Yeah, but here's the thing. It's a $20 Sawzall.
Yeah.
Chicago. You know,
Right,
Harbor
it's
Freight.
Harbor Freight,
You
right.
know?
The motorcycle looks interesting.
There's 2 of them.
Yeah.
We have 5 40-foot shipping.
Look at this. A cheap toilet.
We got an expensive one and a cheap one.
Find anything good yet?
I'm waiting for
Not
that
so
small
good,
locker.
but
Yeah.
trashy.
I mean, this heater, what kind of heater is this? Yeah.
That's probably $110 right there. You know, retail.
Yeah, right.
You know, you get $50 for it, or $25.
What's that?
No.
That's all right. Now, is the weed whacker that was in there?
Yep.
Yeah, I mean that's worth 40 or 50 bucks.
Right there's a.
Is that a dehumidifier or a humidifier? Yeah.
It's an air conditioner.
Yeah.
Portable air conditioner.
Oh yeah.
You know, this was made in 1977, 1977, and stamped on the back of it. It is a little rough, but
Yeah.
you know, clean it up. You know, polish it up.
Yeah, there are
everything,
people.
redo it.
That just sell.
Missing one glass, but it has the glass front on.
Right. Oh, it's a china cabinet. I see.
Yeah.
That's why it's hanging out like that. And it could.
You know, it's got the double drawers into it.
Yeah.
But the latches themselves are. A lot of people around here buy the old latches and stuff.
Yeah, that's air conditioner. So 70 bucks for this. Not
And
bad.
Still the 2 dressers.
Yeah.
Couple miscellaneous. Look, there's at least a table, but no table.
Yeah.
That was weird. They probably figured they needed it someplace else.
Hey, I'm back. Well, you know, I just spent about an hour and 20 minutes there. I did not get a unit today. I did bid on 1 unit. But the 1 unit, there was 3 units that were owned by the same owner. And one went for $900, as you know, you'll see and there's some backstory to those 3 units that the guy, we were told, went to jail for a very, very long time. So we don't know what he did, but everything that was in the house was lost. So there were actually 2 people there today. And they said from watching Storage Wars that they bought their first unit, and I was told by the auctioneer, which I actually know, I've seen him around, that this facility was the first time that they had an auction. So you know, hey guys, I hope you like my video. You know, it's not always about me maybe buying stuff. I did ask permission of the people if I could film some of the stuff that they got and show you what was bought for the prices that they bought, and they were like, sure, no problem. And everybody was very nice that I did ask, and I greatly appreciate it. And if they're watching, thank you. You guys could like and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and I hope I'll see you again. Bye.